Eastern District of North Carolina says he's seeing a rise in the number of scams related to the coronavirus.
Bobby Higdon Jr. sat down with CBS 17 consumer investigator Steve Sbraccia to talk about that and other issues today in a story you'll only see on CBS 17.
Well, guys, the U.S. Attorney tells me that criminals are looking at the COVID-19 situation as a bonanza, and all kinds of scams are making their way across the country here to North Carolina as if, well, faster than the virus itself.
What we're seeing across the country is scams related to a number of things. Number one, hoarding. Number two is price gouging. And then we're seeing a range of scams designed to get people's money based upon their fear. So it's things like, I have a cure for the coronavirus, and all you have to do is give me a little money and I'll share that with you. Well, there is no cure for the virus right now. And so people should walk away from those types of things. People are trying to convince individuals that you'll get the money that the Congress is appropriating at the president's request to fuel the economy if you give us your bank information, or if you provide us a little seed money, then we'll get that too. Government agencies don't work that way.
How do you fight these scams? Because so many of them are coming from offshore.
We're relaxing all of the requirements for bringing those types of cases into federal court, and we're going to pursue anyone that's involved in them. And the way we do it, just like we do any other investigation, is you start with the people that are on the ground committing the crime, and we work our way up the chain of people involved in the crime.
Will you have the resources here in North Carolina, for example, in your district, to be able to do that?
Absolutely. I've already assigned 2 prosecutors in our office to focus on this. They are working in conjunction with the FBI, the IRS, and other agencies. And what we're doing is, as part of these task forces, is we are banding together all 93 United States attorneys in the country. We're working together, and we will shift the evidence to whatever district has the best chance of convicting the individuals that are leading these schemes.
We also talked about how the COVID-19 situation is affecting the federal court system here in North Carolina, as well as a lot of other related topics. I put the full interview for you online, all 6 minutes of it, so check it out. Working for you, I'm consumer investigator Steve Sbraccia.